how you can fix nationwide mobile banking app not working, error or problem, which will definitely be solved after following one or two simple measures. So, the first thing that we need to be aware of is make sure you have nationwide mobile banking app properly installed and in the latest version available on your devices. Whether you have an iOS or an Android, that does not matter. Make sure your app is up to date. For that, you simply need to go to Play Store if Android and App Store if iOS, and then go here and then type nationwide mobile banking app. So, once you go to nationwide mobile banking app, make sure that you've selected the authentic mobile banking app and not the duplicate or the unauthentic and not authorized apps. So, which is from the given options, the second one is AXOS Bank for nationwide. This one is the authentic one. Make sure you install this app on your device, and if this app is already installed, make sure it's up to date so that once when you go to Play Store and check, there should not be the option of update available, which means that you already have the latest version installed in your devices. Now, these are the steps you can follow if you have an iOS. Now, if you are an Android user and if you have this app installed in your device and if it's still not working properly, make sure that you remove all your cache memories regarding this app from your device and then try uninstalling and then reinstalling it. And by following these simple steps, your problem of mobile banking app not working should be fixed. I hope you guys have gotten the solution to your problem, and I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave some comments and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.